guys, I wanted to bring you guys with me on a couple of days in my life. It's kind of going to be a more weekend vlog, and I'm going to be volunteering. I think I'm going to go to the free clinic on Friday, and then I have volunteering events throughout the weekend. Probably going to do some plant shopping, some gardening, some, I don't know, some middle-aged mom activities. Because I had ordered peanuts when I was filming this video, and I mean peanuts to grow, because I started watching, okay, whatever. Point is, I started getting into gardening because I started watching a bunch of YouTube videos, and then I bought peanuts because I convinced myself that I wanted to make my own peanut butter. Do I like peanut butter? Not that much. Long story short, I fucked up. This is completely unrelated right now, and it might make more sense later, so I'll talk about it when I'm plant shopping. But just know, I was looking forward to these peanuts. If you guys don't know, I am currently applying to go to medical school, and I just took my MCAT, so this is kind of the only time that I have to myself where I'm kind of in this in-between period where I don't know how I did on my exam, and I'm just waiting for the results while working on my applications. So I'm just kind of taking this time to myself and just doing things that I enjoy. So hopefully I get to work out and shop and just relax. So I'll bring you guys with me. Okay, let's go to the free clinic. Hi, Dr. Flores. Basically, the clinic that I was volunteering at is non-for-profit, and it's not only non-for-profit, but it's run solely on like donations, and people like doctors and nurses will volunteer there, and it's primarily for like undocumented people. I want to say that it's also for homeless people and just people that can't really afford healthcare, which is obviously really sad for a lot of reasons. But I just really liked what they stood for. It was one of those like learning environments where they were like, oh, you don't know how to do this? Come over here, I'll show you. I don't know what I'm doing. Like I've just been sitting in my car on my phone trying to find like plant nurseries around me, but realistically I should not be buying any more plants. Why? Because my entire last video was me buying plants that I didn't already need. I already didn't need those plants, therefore I bought more plants, and I'm sitting here thinking about what plants to buy. Even if I were to buy more plants, I don't have anywhere to put them. It's not what it looks like. Guys, they're so cheap. They're so cheap. This is genuinely like the cheapest I've ever seen orchids be sold, and I've been wandering around like a psychopath. I'm surprised they haven't kicked me out. Look at this. Okay, so I got 2 orchids, one for me and one for my aunt, and I strapped them up with a seatbelt because I don't want them to go flying. OTD, I'm wearing this little like quarter zip that's really a golf quarter zip with this color sports bra. I think this is from Ross, and then I have these leggings on. I don't know what brand they are, they're just comfortable. I feel like I just got absolutely beat up. I mean, I don't feel as comfortable or as confident in the gym as I used to when I used to go more often, obviously. But it felt good to go, and I'm glad that I did go because I definitely feel more awake. Now I think I'm gonna go get a green juice or like a green smoothie, because realistically, my body is craving something fat. Like, my heart wants Taco Bell, but I'm not gonna get Taco Bell. I'm gonna get a green smoothie, and then I have to go help my brother move because he's moving apartments. I think I mentioned that before, I don't remember. But yeah, that's what's going on. I'm kind of proud of myself that I just got dressed and came because I was really tired. I mean, I worked every day this week, and today's Friday, and I got up today to go volunteer at the clinic. Tomorrow I have fundraising, Sunday I have fundraising, so I don't know what that was, but I'm glad that I came to the gym. Feels good. Feels like shit, but feels good that I actually did it. So I just picked up these smoothies for everybody that's helping my brother move, and look at how pretty these colors look. Okay, I just got these smoothies from Smoothie Spot, and I want to try mine. This is the one that I got. Looks so good. I'm kind of scared. I hope it's not too green. It's definitely green. It's very sweet. It's way sweeter than I thought it was gonna be. I just showered and washed my hair, and I think I really underestimated just how tired I was gonna be today. I did go to my brother's to help him move into his new apartment a little bit. I didn't really get to film a lot of that because I wasn't really on my phone, but now I'm just exhausted and I have maybe like half a brain cell left. I have to go walk Apollo downstairs real quick and set my alarm because I have to go to that fundraising thing tomorrow morning. Do you want to go on a walk? Hey, so I am on my way, and to no one's surprise, I am late. So I think I'm going to make the fact that I'm late worth it and just get some stickers. It's, you know, a field day for foster kids, and I'm just thinking about all of these, you know, either younger or older kids that are maybe gonna be shy or won't want to come up to us. So I'm just thinking of, you know, handing out stickers. I feel like that's a good way to go. It's kind of a foolproof method of making people feel comfortable. I tend to be late to literally everything, but at least I'm gonna make it worth it and just stop by the Dollar Tree and grab a bunch of stickers to hand out, or at least to put on myself. So let's do that. And I'm really excited for this field day. It's coincidentally right in front of one of my favorite like matcha places. It's not like only a matcha place, but it's my favorite matcha. So if you guys have ever been in Miami and you haven't been to Brewing Buddha, it's kind of a more local spot, thank God, because Miami is full of people already and the lines are always ridiculous. But I kind of like that it's more of a hidden gem, but it's really great, and their coconut matcha is amazing. But yeah, I'm really excited. Today seems like a good day. It is really sunny, so I hope that somebody brought sunscreen because I did not. Okay, bye. Okay, I went to Dollar Tree and it took me like 4 minutes to find everything, and I'm gonna show you what I got, but I am still driving, so bear with me. First of all, I got me and my friend Kevin, because he's kind of leading everything, I got us these bunny ears because I forgot it's an Easter field day. Do I look kind of stupid? Yes, but I think it's fun and I look approachable. I got these little fairy looking stickers, which I thought were super cute. I got 2 of those for like smaller girls or boys. Then I got these DC, and then I just got these stars. Okay, it's 1:30 and we just finished. I'm wearing my Moments Matter shirt. If you guys ever care to volunteer, you're in this area, maybe you just want to learn more about it, I will post more information about Moments Matter in the description box. So it was a lot of fun. We ended up doing an Easter egg hunt. Like I said before, I passed out stickers and I am full of stickers myself because I was just putting them on myself to pass out. And we all ate. It was great. And like I said, we're actually right across the street from my favorite matcha place, so I think I'm gonna go over to Brewing Buddha and get a matcha because it's really hot. let's go grocery shopping because I don't have anything to eat right now. And just like yesterday, I am like craving something quick and easy, which is always fast food and never good food. So there's nothing wrong with eating fast food every once in a while, and I definitely do because sometimes you just don't have time. But I'm in the mood to eat something that I make, so I'm gonna go to Aldi and see what I can find. This is everything I got. Half of it is bread and cheese, but it's honestly what I needed for some of my meals because I did go to the grocery store pretty recently. So this is my haul. Does this look aesthetically pleasing? No, but I am so excited. I've been craving this. I've never had a sweet potato, like a stuffed sweet potato before, but I don't know what came over me that I've been craving this. So I'm gonna eat an iPad Kid for a little bit. Wow. Impressive. How do I always end up back here is a really good question. Oh my god, and now that we're here, I need to tell you my peanut story. Hold on, I need to put in my Snapchat videos because I tell it better. So I thought I was being fucking quirky because I want to grow peanuts so I can make my own peanut butter. And I was like, you know what? It's easy because I have these two containers. They're like hanging containers, so I'm just gonna grow fucking peanuts. I bought this rare peanut thing that was supposed to be like a nice Spanish peanut or whatever that's good for peanut butter. And I bought it because they're like peanut seeds. Spent like $10 on this shit. Estas 10 fucking peanuts? 10 peanuts. $1 a peanut. Like, I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't this size. In the picture, it was like a hand, like a bag of like a lot of peanut seeds. So I was already thinking like, oh my god, I'm gonna have so many peanut seeds. No, I have 10 seeds. If, let's say, each one grows 4 peanuts, I have 40 peanuts. Do you know how much peanut butter I can make with 40 peanuts? Approximately a tablespoon. No, and this is the best part. I might as well have bought a fucking jar of peanut butter. 5 months to grow these peanuts to get una cucharada, maybe a fucking toast in the morning. They got me, bro. Oh my god, they got my ass. I thought this was gonna be a big bag. I got too excited. Okay, now back to what was actually going on. Okay, I just got home and I am obviously in my pajamas. I'm yellow because of my fluorescent ass lamp that is just exuding this yellow light. It doesn't look like this in person, but for whatever reason, when I film with it, it makes me look neon yellow. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. It was a little bit of everything, but I was entertained making it. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna take a nap after I edit this vlog. So, bye.